Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is the first time, make sure you subscribe because we love the girlies over here. Welcome to my new series, which is House Becoming a Home. I am ecstatic to bring you on the journey of finally getting my house together. Let's get into it. Today's first episode of House Becoming a Home, we are working on my office space. This has been a space that's just been chaotic for as long as I've been in the house, which is coming on 2 years. So I finally wanted to do something that I felt confident in, proud in, excited to go to, especially when I'm working. So this was the first space I wanted to tackle because I do spend a lot of time in front of my computer. So as you can see, guys, I got a new monitor, new desktop, however you want to call it. I got me an Apple desktop, which is quite new for me because I am a PC girl when it comes to my computers. But you know, I just felt like it would be a nice change for once, so it gave me the push I needed for my office space. Now that my table is cleared out, I am just wiping it down because I'm not gonna lie, it's been a storage space for a while. I've been working on my laptop, and just with me having a baby, I just have not given this space time. So here's some things I bought off of SHEIN. I got this cloud mouse pad and this foam cloud thing where I can put my arm in, and this coaster because I drink a lot of coffee in here, a phone holder and an iPad holder because I tend to use these products a lot when I am working, and some cute gold pens just to add to the aesthetics. So I'm wiping down my screen. And I decided that I wanted to position my screen tilted to the side of my desktop because I still use my laptop and my iPad. And I kind of got this inspo from Jackie Ayana from a TikTok she posted a few months ago with hers just on the side. And because my desktop is a vintage desk, which I love so much, but I wanted to create more space for me to work on. So I just felt like it just was more practical for me to position the desktop that way so I can fit all the things I would actually be using on a daily basis. Now I'm just kind of wiping down my keyboard, trying to get all up in the crevices, taking all that dust and just positioning my phone holder, my iPad holder, and my iPad, and just seeing how that works. As I said before, I actually use these things on my desk as well. So I wanted it to make sure that like each thing had its place and it was actually practical for me to have these things. So as you can see, I'm cleaning up, but my laptop ain't got no space on this desk because, as I said, it's a small desk. So I'm just cleaning up the area as we come back to figure out what we're gonna put my laptop on. So I'm revamping my whole dresser. I had this lamp there for a while, I had this ugly mirror for a while, and I tried layering some pictures on top of each other, but it just was not giving what I wanted to give. It wasn't giving grown. It just looked like I just spat things up there just to fill in space. So I no longer wanted that space to look like that. So I got a bigger mirror because I have a mirror obsession, especially vintage mirrors. So I found this mirror on Facebook Market, really big, but it fit the space I needed. I just prefer a big old mirror. I can't tell you why. I have these type of mirrors all over my home. I love me a good mirror, so therefore I was like, what I need is another mirror. Does it make sense? No, but for me right now and where I wanted to be at, it made complete sense. So I'm cleaning that mirror up. At first I wanted to spray it all gold, but I actually like the black and gold because I didn't want everything to be too gold. and I just left it in its natural state. So as you can see, I'm just putting stuff away, clearing that space up, removing everything that needs to be removed, so I'm able to put the mirror on top of the dresser. I didn't hang the mirror up because I like the look of it just sitting on the dresser, so I just decided, you know what, I'm just gonna sit it right there, and then I'm gonna layer onto the mirror.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man.
So when I got the mirror, it kind of looked big, so I had to measure for the space I am doing my office area. And luckily, it was as wide and long that I needed to be. I did not want it to be longer than the dresser, but I didn't want it to be too tall. So it was just a perfect fit for what I was looking for, where it didn't have to touch my storage door in order to get the look I was looking for.
You love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong.
So I had this little table that was in my guest room, which is now my son's room. And as you saw before, I had a spot to put my laptop, so I felt like it was way more functional to put it there so I can put my laptop, my notebooks, and things like that. I had this lamp for the longest, and I love this lamp. And this lamp was giving me more of what I was looking for than the previous lamp I had there. So I was like, let me just dress this table up, since this is where I'm putting my laptop, and just make it real cutesy, real simple, and kind of cohesive of what I got going on in this space. Okay, I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I have my AC unit running because the room tends to get really, really hot. I'm trying to get this chair for this space. This is what the chair looks like. You cannot tell me this pop of yellow is not going to look good here, especially with the orange. I'm still trying to figure out how to dress this area because I was planning to put the lamp here. Now I realize it's just going to be too chaotic, so I removed the orange vase and put this here. I'm going to put the orange vase somewhere else. But like, it's coming together. It's coming the way I like it. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but it sure is mine, okay? I've been working on this little section for a while. So slowly but surely, we're making my room feel like a room than just stuff I'm throwing into the room. So hopefully I can pick this chair up today. If not today, tomorrow morning. I've been begging for this chair. I've been looking for other chairs just in case you don't respond and I don't like it. I have not found nothing else I like but this chair. It's only $25, and then you got gold legs. The chair I'm sitting on, I sit it over there. I gotta clean it. But it's a great chair, and I just want to pop a color, and I want a chair that's just designated for this. I had a chair here for my office, but the back is so low that it's just not working for me. So I need like an office chair. And I'm just feeling real cute about it. I'm really vibing with it, okay? It's giving Sarah. It's giving Sarah. So y'all remember the chair I showed y'all earlier? Well, I'm going to pick it up. As I was saying before, the sun literally had me looking like chaos. I am looking like my day, okay? This is my 4th house dress for the day. Anyone who has a baby who's teething and spitting up knows. Now, I don't like staying in clothes that's full of spit up and stuff, so I'm on my 4th outfit with my child. I'm gonna change it every time, okay? It's just more laundry to do, which is sad, but I digress. This is not what this is about, okay? So, this chair I showed y'all. This person don't know how to drive the ghetto. Y'all, the chair is way more gorgeous, okay? And it was quick. Yes, the chair is gorgeous. Okay, y'all might not be able to see me. Y'all, the chair is so cute. I can't wait for y'all to see everything tied together. Let's go home. Oh, yes! Okay. This is the final result of my office space in my workroom. I am obsessed, okay? The chair was the right pop of color, so was the vase and the painting. I just love how everything was cohesive to my liking. As I said, this is truly my personality in one, and that's exactly what I wanted to recreate in my space. So it can work for me. It's quite functional. It helps me stay organized, and overall it looks cute to me, okay? It looks fabulous to me, and I am, as I said before, I am obsessed.
I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Let the door say excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. Are you trying to leave? Miss? I saw you dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, we just 1, 2 step, 1, 2 step. Now if the music is moving too fast, grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Make sure you leave a comment down below what you're looking forward to seeing in this series, and leave a like. I can't wait to see you in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed and you made it this far in the video, what are you doing? Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode.
That you got my attention, you're making me want to say oh. Are you trying to leave?